You must be looking for a perfect set of parameters to identify an institute which will meet your expectations to help you prepare for civil services exam. The most important parameter which should guide you when making this decision is the quality of teaching. In other words, the ability of teachers to not only to teach you but to also hold your hand to take you along this wonderful journey of learning for civil services exam. Every other parameter comes second. At Rouse, we put the interest of our students on top, teach them through team of best teachers, create an ecosystem around them which inculcates curiosity, conduct regular testing and doubt solving, take great care in covering current affairs, and take feedback from the students and provide mentorship to our students. During pandemic, when most of the institutes had shut down and left their students midway in lurch, Rouse stood by its students and ensured that the teaching continued without any disruption. We not only maintained same quality of support for our students, but also extended our hands to those aspirants who were not part of Rouse fraternity. How good are we? Well, the best testament to this would be the opinion of our students. We reached out to our students to know about their experience. Here is a sneak peek into the experience of Rouse IS students, which will help you understand why Rouse IS is the best choice for you to prepare for civil services exam.
I was like looking through IS coaching institutes, the best ones, through online reviews and Quora and all of these platforms. That's when I came to know that Rouse is one of the best in the country. Another, point that I looked out for was the batches were really small in Rouse IS. So it really appealed me. That fact really appealed me because that would mean like special attention, and I would have a better, atmosphere while the batches are smaller. So that's when I joined Rouse, and initially there were the offline classes going on, and we were really, really fortunate enough because we got like tests every chapter wise, every topic wise. So after the pandemic started, we joined the online classes. Another benefit of the online classes was that the recorded lectures were available for a week. So even if you're not able to attend the classes, you can watch the recorded classes videos. So you don't miss out on the topics that were taught in the class. That was one of the very advantageous points that Rouse had in their, analysis planning of the course.
I was very doubtful actually because I chose to join an institute in the COVID times where I could not go and see any institute. We were sitting for the first counseling session. Gajanan sir took that. And I was so convinced, I was so thankful that I did not waste my time looking for anything else. I was so sure that, okay, this is the teacher for me. I understand everything and I'm lucky to have it.
Having online classes at our college also. So in my college, my mom is the dean of my college. So I was talking to my mom that you must learn from this Rouse team that they've done so much. The classes are interactive because my law classes are not that interactive.
And we gave the answers on the eLearn platform. It is also good. eLearn platform is best, I think so, sir, because I had my previous interaction with my Amity platform, and it was university, and compared to this eLearn platform as an institution, so it is good. It is really good. Matlab, you get feedback like this. I mean, I have not met a single faculty of Rouse who is not even they gave 100% of their ability. They will tackle every doubt, even either we ask the doubt in the class or we put that on eLearn platform. They always reply. Like Rouse have given their 100%.
I've had a very pleasant experience so far with the teachers from Rouse IS. All our teachers have made a special effort to connect with us, considering the fact that we are in very difficult pandemic, and it is necessary for a subject, for something like teaching, to have a connect with the students. We never feel that gap with our teachers because they are so professional, they make that effort and we feel that.
The core fact I would like to point out is definitely the class size has been kept to a minimum, and that is of course always advantageous, because I have friends and other candidates who are aspirants for the exam in other institutes which have a very large class size, and such a skewed teacher-student ratio means it's going to be a one-way communication only. But in Rouse, at least, because the class size is small and questions could be asked, doubts could be raised and cleared, there could be an interaction that's definitely there. And so that is one thing definitely advantages about the GS classes. Yes, all the faculty they've linked, they've not taught the subject as if they were teaching in universities, the demands of an honors course or an MA program. No, but that's a different line of thought altogether. But with what the competitive examination requires, what UPSC demands, so they have gone through that particular line of thinking. What are the questions to be expected? We have had regular tests, and how to go about answer writing also. Yes.
माँ बाप के बाद अगर कोई होता है तो टीचर होता है और यहाँ सर वही बिल्कुल उस जगह पे पोजीशन पे स्टैंड करते हुए वही टीचर्स हैं हमारे साथ और काफी उच्च कोटि के टीचर्स हैं यहाँ पे.
The second thing is regular updation of questions, mains questions by teachers that are checked regularly by teachers, and also the tests that are being conducted by teachers. So that provides us quite a good way of learning to let us know that where we stand after being taught by the teacher, the whole thing.
I belongs to Devariya in Uttar Pradesh और बहुत अच्छे से सिखा रहा है. यही हमेशा सोच रहती है कि काश पहले मिले होते ऐसे टीचर्स तो बेहतर होता, लाइफ कहीं और स्टैंड करती. अभी भी ठीक ही है, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है सर उसके साथ.
Sir, my name is Nitin and I have done my engineering from MIT University. My friend was studying in Rouse IS previously and he referred me to Rouse. And I'm really satisfied, and especially with 3-4 teachers. And I will take their names. And first one is Gajanan sir. Right from the orientation day, he was exceptional. The way he told us about Hindu, the books to study and how to study and how much to study, which topics to cover, exceptional. And he even gave us questions to practice, and they were exceptional. His feedback was really good.
We were taught by Babu sir. Babu sir is amazing. Babu sir is super confident. He has such good command at the subject. He remembers everything by heart. Probably he remembers the whole constitution, if I would say. And his way of teaching is so crisp. He is so crisp with everything. You have a doubt, he will answer it in a way that you will understand that either it is this or this. There's no middle way. You'll just understand it. Vineet sir, he might look a little strict. Initially, we were also very scared in asking some doubts from him, but he has a very practical approach towards the subject. So his concepts are again very clear, and he will not. He is not the kind of teacher who will hand out just notes without explaining. He will make sure that you understand all the concepts very practically. Probably he'll explain the entire mechanism of it. And then after everything is done, he'll just hand over the notes to us. So that was a very smart way. We could, just stop writing. We could understand the entire presentations. We could understand the entire mechanisms. And then we had the notes also for reference. So that was a very smart way of teaching.
Kaushik sir was also really good. He was like to the point because his subject is like that polity, that if he talks about politics, then it is no use. He was really on point. You just focus what you have to study on syllabus. Don't study what going on news. Just study specific in Hindu, these articles. Do not study articles of CPIM or Congress or any BJP articles. Study scholastic articles.
सेकेंड सर हमारा स्टार्ट हुआ फिर इंडियन इकोनॉमी. रेड्डी सर तो क्या बोले, द मोस्ट लाइवली सोल, जिनका मतलब प्रेजेंस हर जगह लगता है. अभी भी अगर मैं इकोनॉमी के बारे में सोचता हूँ तो उनकी आवाज गूंजती है, ऐसा लगता है. एंड हिज चुटकी जो वो बजाते हुए बताते हैं, वो मतलब अलग ही दर्जे का बातचीत है. और इकोनॉमी में उनकी वजह से ही आज वो बिजनेस जो लाइन पेपर आती है हिस्ट्री हिंदू की, उसको समझ पाता हूँ, कुछ भी समझ पाता हूँ, थोड़ा भी समझ पाता हूँ, तो वो बीके रेड्डी सर के वजह से ही है.
Reddy sir starts from really basics. Ki what is inflation, what is employment, and who are unemployed, and all this. So these are basics which, because I was really afraid of economics. And he taught so well. Ki now we discuss Reddy sir and his way of teaching. Ki yaar, Reddy sir used to say like this. So let's attempt these questions like this only.
सर कृतिका मैम के बारे में बोलूं तो सर हिस्ट्री में इंटरेस्ट इतना जल्दी किसी को नहीं आ सकता। मैं बिलीव करता हूँ, लेकिन अगर ऐसे टीचर्स हैं, आर्ट एंड कल्चर जैसी चीजें पढ़ लिया मैंने, बहुत बड़ी बात। मैम इज टू गुड, टू गुड।
Now coming to Kritika ma'am, the way she taught storyline, she taught us ancient history and culture, sir. So she is like story based right from the start. We have story embedded in our minds only because of Kritika ma'am. The way she gave the examples of her study in archaeology, the Tamil study, it's amazing, sir. I'm really telling you, she's really amazing. And now coming to Sanjay sir, the biotech. Sir, he is also really good. Akshay sir of science. Then we went to Einstein theory of gravitational forces. And I have seen many videos on YouTube. I was never able to understand what is this. But Akshay sir has depicted so well that till day, I know what is LEGO experiment, where it happened, and what India is doing with that respect. So sir, Akshay sir is also really good.
Few of the teachers who like really are very concerned about students' upliftment in the preparation. Vikram sir, sociology, who teaches sociology and Indian society and ethics. Then comes Indrajit sir, who teaches geography. Param sir, who teaches history. So three of the teachers like really helped me in whatever I have learned until now.
We had Ritesh sir for essay. He has taught us a lot of new perspective for writing essays. Then we had, I have Vikram sir going on now for Indian society, and even he has been giving new dimensions which I've never thought about. And another subject which we especially don't refer any books. I don't know about the books for Indian society, but he has made it very clear like what to refer and how to study and how to approach, and even orient with current affairs.
गजानन सर का अगर बोले बी स्पेसिफिक, टू बी ऑनेस्ट सर जैसे क्लास स्टार्ट करते हैं उनका सबसे अच्छा पॉइंट ये है कि वो ना पहले हिंदू के बारे में बात करते हैं। किसी भी टीचर्स के अगर देखेंगे तो उनमें ये यूनिक पॉइंट है, वो आते हैं और पहला स्टार्ट करते हैं कि फर्स्ट कम इनटू कैमरा, कम टू योर कैमरा, बात करो हमसे, बात करो आज के दिन में क्या पढ़ा तुमने हिस्ट्री में, ये करंट अफेयर्स में क्या आया क्या नहीं आया, एंड उसको लेकर डिस्कस करते हैं, फिर उसको कनेक्ट करते हुए क्लास स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो ये उनकी यूनिकनेस है। सेकंड, कौशिक सर अगर बात करें तो सर वो हमारे एज को बहुत ही बेहतरीन कनेक्ट करते हैं, हमारे एज को बहुत ही बेहतरीन कनेक्ट करते हैं। जिस तरीके से बात करते हैं, जो उनकी टोन होती है, जो उनके एग्जाम्पल्स होते हैं, वो बहुत ही सही होते हैं सर। मतलब वो कहा नहीं जा सकता क्या क्या करते हैं, लेकिन हर एक चीज को आपके पर्सनल लाइफ से जोड़ करके बोल देंगे, वो ऐसे होते हैं और हर किसी के साथ कनेक्ट हो जाएगा वो। तो दैट इज हिज पॉइंट।
I've especially loved my modern history classes with Mathimaran sir. He is an amazing teacher. He made history come alive, and especially in modern history with so many conflicting dates and there are so many things simultaneously going on. It gets difficult to catch. It's difficult to catch up. But sir made it so easy. The history just flowed with him. Talking about ethics with Shobik sir. Ethics is something I thought would be a very difficult subject to grasp, maybe because it is difficult to talk about it and to make somebody understand those concepts. So sir's command on his language is amazing. He has a very charismatic voice, and the way he teaches, you can't focus your attention on something else. You have to focus on him, especially even through the camera that is there with sir. And the examples that he gives us those examples which we know will stick with us.
फिर बीच में एक छोटा सा झलक हुआ था राहुल पुरी सर का, ठीक है। तो इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस वो बताने आए थे, थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दिए थे, उसमें ही सर इतना कनेक्ट कर गए कि आज भी अगर मैं उनको व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज करता हूँ ना तो ही रिप्लाइज मी विदाउट आस्किंग हु आर यू, तुम किस बैच से हो क्या नहीं, कुछ नहीं पूछते। ही जस्ट नोज कि अच्छा मेरा स्टूडेंट है, मेरे को जानता है, मुझसे पूछ लिया, मैं बताऊंगा। गेम इज डिफरेंट, ही इज ऑन अनदर लेवल। वो बहुत ही अलग ही टीचर है। मतलब वो हार्डशिप समझते हैं, वो परेशानियां समझते हैं, स्टूडेंट क्या समझ सकता है क्या नहीं समझेगा, क्या बोलेगा। वो जानते हैं पहले से, वो 2 कदम आगे से बात कर लेते हैं।
Indrajit sir, he's one very calm teacher I know. He's a very amazing person because it's online classes and all of us are one point there is a time that we all are disturbed or distracted and we don't listen. And no matter what, how many ever times we ask, he'll explain. And he also gives very amazing examples and the news updates through every topic we are studying. And Paryampreet sir, since he teaches history, it's all very like it's just like a modern. I mean, it's just like a golden moment because he keeps explaining how it is, and he keeps giving us mnemonics to remember each and every say the ages or what was happening in that age, and the list of all the Mughals, rulers, everything. He keeps giving us simplified mnemonics so we can remember. He makes our task easier. He studies along with us. He acts like we are his friends, and he makes it even more easier for us to bond with him. For us, we don't have to hesitate to ask him a question. I really like all of them.
सीसैट का क्लास स्वामीनाथन सर गॉड लेवल टीचर है, गॉड लेवल, फर्स्ट क्लास, एक ही क्लास हुआ है हमारा, सच कहूंगा गॉड लेवल है, बिल्कुल एक क्लास से समझ में आता है। और हाँ, हमारा वो स्पेशली व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बना दिए, पर्सनल टच पहले क्लास से, उसके बाद उनका मतलब टाइमिंग भी ऐसा है कि 10 बजे से लेकर के 4:30 बजे तक में तुम पर्सनली कुछ भी पूछ लो, कहीं से भी सवाल पूछ लो, सर विल रिप्लाई। एंड सिर्फ रिप्लाई नहीं, ही स्टार्ट्स मोटिवेटिंग यू कि डोंट बी अपसेट, बिल्कुल भी नीचे नहीं सोचना, ये आते जाते रहेगा, हम हैं। और उनका हमेशा ये स्पेसिफिक रहता है, हम हैं, वो कभी नहीं बोलता मैं हूं, मतलब ही रिप्रेजेंट्स राउज सो वेल। मयंक सर का सबसे खासियत ये है कि मयंक सर से अगर कुछ भी पूछें, मतलब जरूर ये बात ये है ना कि हम लोग इरिटेटिंग सवाल पूछ देते हैं कई बार, लेकिन मयंक सर बहुत बहुत प्यार से जवाब देते हैं उस चीज का, वो छोड़ते नहीं है, वो आपको अप्रोच करेंगे ही कि हाँ बताओ, वो पढ़ाते। सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि कोई टीचर अभी तक एटलीस्ट जितने भी नाम लिए ना, उनमें से ये बात किसी में नहीं है जो मयंक सर में, कि अगर वो कुछ टॉपिक पढ़ा रहे हैं, इट इज डैम इम्पोर्टेंट, लाइक प्लेट टेक्टोनिक थ्योरी और एनीथिंग विच इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, उस बीच में अगर मैं पूछ दूं कि सर ये बात है, ही विल तुरंत, हाँ तुरंत आता हूँ, 1 सेकंड, वो तुरंत आएंगे, बोर्ड का एक साइड डिवाइड करेंगे, फिर तुरंत समझाने लगेंगे। इज टू गुड इन दैट। और वो अगर कोई नहीं बोले तो बहुत गलत होगा, ये बहुत सही है, कोई नहीं करता ऐसा, कोई नहीं करता।
Geography is amazing. Be it optionals, Vineet sir is doing just great. I mean, he's clearing each and every concept. He explains it. He takes 1 hour at least to explain just the basic. He'll give diagrams for that. He'll 10, 15, 20 diagrams for one concept. Thereafter, he'll go to explain the definition of that concept, and then he'll make us write if it is necessary that this is to be written. And if we come to Mayank sir for the optional, and he's doing the same, he'll first teach us the concept, then he'll teach us the dynamic issues and make us write the important points that are necessary, and then he'll tell us the questions, the kind of questions that are being asked in the exams and how we are to approach it. Then he'll give us time as to what you think should be the answer of this question, and then he'll correct us that no, this can't be the push, this can't be there in the answer, or that sort of thing. So it really helps us build in a way, to helps us prepare in the exam well.
मैं खुर्जा डिस्ट्रिक्ट बुलंदशहर उत्तर प्रदेश से ऑनलाइन कोचिंग कर रहा हूँ। सबसे अच्छी बात देखी जाए तो राउज फैकल्टी के रिलेटेड वो ये है कि आप टीचर को पढ़ाने के टीचर पढ़ाने के बाद आप न्यूज़पेपर को आसानी से समझ सकते हैं अच्छे तरीके से। तो मेरे हिसाब से ऑफलाइन और ऑनलाइन में राउज का कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, जैसे ऑफलाइन मीडियम है वैसे ही ऑनलाइन मीडियम है। और सर जब क्वालिटी ऑफलाइन में और ऑनलाइन में जब सेम है तो सर मेरे हिसाब से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए।
I want to talk about is the DNS videos that Rouse uploads every day. So it's a very, very tremendous effort that they put in after doing the entire analysis of all the current affairs. So it becomes like I'm a working professional. So it becomes really convenient for me to go to the DNS and understand the types of questions or the types of topics that we should be studying from the exams point of view. And DNS is doing just that. And it totally serves my purpose. It makes my life really easy. Next comes the Focus magazines. That's like, you know, talked about to the entire nation. It's so good. And the material is, very, very crisp and to the point. Next point I want to mention is that just after one, suppose subject gets over, suppose geography got over, and Rouse makes it a point to upload tests both on the prelims based objective questions and the subjective questions related to mains. So that what happens is once you are done with the course, probably there's a procrastination feeling that something that we do not revise or anything. So these tests make it a point that we revise and then we appear for the test. And I personally feel very, very grateful that I have chosen this institute for my preparation.
So I have been blessed with all the good teachers.
And I am blessed to have this kind of teachers. I love Rouse. I respect Rouse.
So overall, my experience with the eLearn platform is like one of the best experiences I've ever had.